Hi everyone. So we're going to start with looking at logarithms and what you learned in 3. So I would suggest grabbing a sheet of paper and writing these down. So we're going to go through the properties and then go through a couple examples. So the first one, let's see. So if we need to know how to switch from logarithm to exponential form. So an example would be log base x of y equals z. So this is written in logarithm form. To write it in exponential form, this little guy is your base. So you're going to have x. This will be your exponent to the power of z equals y. And then we'll do an example. So I'm going to start in exponential form. So if I write 5 squared equals 25, to write that in log form, you do log base 5 of 25 equals 2. And then, so if I was looking at just this and I wanted to figure out what it was, in your head you want to say 5 to the power of what gives you 25. So 5 to the power of what gives you 25, and that's 2. Okay, the next property we want to look at is the product. So product property. So let's write log base b of mn. That's going to be the same as log base b of m plus log base b of n. And an example, if we have log base 3 of 8. So now notice how this says m times n, but this just says 8. How can you rewrite 8 as a product? So this could be the same as log base 3 of 2 times 4. And then you can rewrite it as 2 different logarithms. So equals log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of 4. So that's the product property. Then you can do the quotient property. So that one is log base b of m over n. I am not sure what's going on outside, but if you can hear all that honking, I'm going to guess it's somebody's birthday. Okay, anyway, so log base b of m over n is the same as log base b of m minus log base b of n. In an example, would be log, let's do 5, log base 5 of 2/3 is going to be the same as log base 5 of 2 minus log base 5 of 3. Okay, then we can go into the power property. So the power property So if you have log base b of m to the power of n, you can rewrite it. So you can take this n and bring it out front. So this is the same as n times log base b of m. Those two things are the same. And then an example would be, let's do log base, actually let's not put a base, log, and then 5 squared equals 2. So this 2 comes out front, log of 5. So now if there isn't a base written, what number actually goes there? It's just a 10. So if there is not a log there, it's just 10. Okay, and those are all of the things that you learned in Integrated 3. So there's going to be a worksheet that you need to complete on Schoology using these properties.